In this video, I'll show you how to buy real GitHub stars on Fansgurus. Let's log in first. Log in with your account. Here is the dashboard. Open services on the left. We're doing GitHub, so I pick the GitHub icon. Scroll to find service 16149, GitHub stars. Let me open the details and explain it. This service brings 100% real, active users to star your GitHub repo, not bots. They come at up to 1K a day, drip-fed at a steady, controllable pace, so growth looks natural. Retention is high, so your count stays stable and rarely drops. Now let's place an order. It's simple. Paste your GitHub repo link here. Enter how many stars you want. The price is calculated automatically. Check everything, click submit, and you're done. It usually starts within 5 to 10 minutes. That's how you buy real GitHub stars on Fansgurus.